If you're experiencing pending transfers on PayPal, it can be frustrating. This guide will help you understand how to resolve these issues quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Check transfer status. Log into your PayPal account and navigate to the activity section. Look for the pending transfer and check its status. This will give you insight into whether the transfer is still processing or if there are issues that need addressing. Step 2. Review email notifications. Check your email for any notifications from PayPal regarding the pending transfer. PayPal often sends emails if there are issues with your account or the transfer itself, which can help you identify the problem. Step 3. Confirm account information. Ensure that your account information is up to date. Verify that your bank account or card linked to PayPal is valid and has no issues. Incorrect or outdated information can lead to pending transfers. Step 4. Contact the sender. If the pending transfer is from another user, reach out to them. They may need to confirm the transaction or resolve any issues on their end that could be causing the delay. Step 5. Contact PayPal support. If you've checked everything and the transfer is still pending, contact PayPal customer support. They can provide specific information about your transfer and help you resolve any issues directly. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any pending transfers on PayPal effectively. Remember to stay informed and keep your account details updated to prevent future issues.